Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set CSS styles per account in GoHighLevel. This is a powerful way to customize the look and feel of your interface to match your branding or specific design preferences. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. This will give you access to your GoHighLevel dashboard where you can manage all your settings and customizations. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. In this menu, locate and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account, including the white label and customization features we'll be using today. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left sidebar again. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Company to access the company level settings. This section contains all the settings that apply to your entire company account, including branding and appearance options that affect how GoHighLevel looks for your team and clients. Now, at the top of the page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the tab labeled White Label. This tab is specifically designed for customization features that allow you to brand GoHighLevel as your own platform. It's where you can control colors, logos, and in this case, custom CSS styles to further personalize the interface. Next, scroll down through the white label settings until you find a section called Custom CSS. This is the area where you can add your own CSS code to override default styles and create a unique look for your account. Custom CSS gives you complete control over visual elements like fonts, colors, spacing, and layout adjustments. In the Custom CSS field, you can now input your CSS code. Type or paste the specific CSS styles you want to apply to your account. This could be anything from changing button colors to adjusting font sizes or modifying the overall layout. Make sure your CSS code is properly formatted to ensure it works correctly and doesn't cause any display issues. After you've entered your CSS code, look for the Save Changes button and click it. This will apply your custom styles to your GoHighLevel account. You might need to refresh your browser to see the changes take effect immediately, so give it a moment to update. And that's it. You've successfully set custom CSS styles for your GoHighLevel account, giving you complete control over how your platform looks and feels. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.